Matthew, and I'm going to show you my server client implementation for the Riddle game. Okay, first thing I want to do is just show you when we run the client by itself, what happens. So when the server's not working. I just wanted to show you this in particular because I wanted to iterate that all of the information, all of the pictures, everything is on the server side and not on the client side. This literally creates an error whenever I hit anything. Just probably tells you to try again. Okay. With that being said, let's go ahead and run our server. Awesome sauce. Here it is. And we got our server up and running. You can see it runs. It's ready for connection. Let's go ahead and run an instance of our client. And let's make it interesting. Let's just run 2 of those. I'm doing this on purpose because I want to show you some functionality that I coded into the game. Okay, first thing you see is the main picture. It greets the player, says, "Hello, please tell me your name." That was specific for our requirements of this. Okay, let's just say Matt is playing this game right here. Josh is playing this instance over here. You can see the screen's changed. It's now in the main menu. Gives you a menu options right here. Interesting note right here, you can see where it's the text image that's being sent, or the picture being sent as text. It's being encoded and then decoded on the client side. Okay, I just want to show you the functionality of the game first. So let's say Matt starts the game. It opens up with the Sphinx. I just thought it was interesting and worthwhile to put there. Gives you the riddle. I put this fun quip here, and asks you to guess or type next. You see the current points for the round is 0. Same thing with Josh over here. Let's say Josh wants to play the games too. I'll have them play the games simultaneously so that it shows you that it can handle multiple clients. It's scalable. I used a map, and it sends their name over with the request, and the server keeps track of them on a leaderboard, and you'll see that as I play. So let's just point out over here as well that the server does get the answer over here up for the riddles. And although they both came out to be the same one this time, they actually are randomized, so they can get different riddles. And it doesn't matter if say, Matt answers, it's not going to affect Josh over here. So he answers Tal, it changes it, you're in, I guess, attack mode. So you're playing the game, you're fighting the Sphinx. So your answer's right, you get 10 points. Say, library is the answer to this one. Oh, you're right again, you get another 10 points. Josh over here, he's smart too. He'll say Tal. He'll get his 10 points. But he doesn't know the next one, right? So let's just say next. So there you can see the functionality. Now he's attacked and he's hurt. They can both exit. So let's just say Josh is not having it. So he can go ahead and exit this round. It brings you back to the main menu, and he can see the leaderboard. So let's just look at that leaderboard real quick. I want to show you. So leaderboard picture changes. Josh has 5 points. Matt does not have any points on that leaderboard yet because he has not finished his round, so he has not been added to that board yet. Let's just say he does. So I also made it where you can just anything to exit, to be honest. And let's just say he's done too. Okay. He gets main menu as well. And re-looking back at that leaderboard, you're going to see both now, Matt and Josh. Okay, and the picture changes, obviously. So let's go back to normal. Okay. They can also play again if they like. So say Matt didn't, or say Josh just didn't like. He didn't like that he only got 5 points. He starts that round again. He says Tal, and he gets those 10 points. It changes him, starts him again. Say he's happy with that. Exit. Okay. And let's look at that leaderboard again. Let's look at it from Matt's side. Okay, and that leaderboard has those new updated totals, so it works. Okay, they can also, let's just get out of here. They can also look at, they can vote, or they can add riddles. So add a riddle. Say Matt's really bad at adding riddles. So bad riddle, and then it's gonna ask for the input to his answer for his riddle, and just say like he had a bad answer. Okay, awesome sauce. Okay, you can see the new riddle was added. And let's just look over here. Say we can also vote on riddles. So say Josh wants to vote on a riddle. We'll go ahead and vote on that riddle. Right here, where Matt put it in. Josh can see bad riddle, bad answer. It's good or not. And it's not good because it's bad. So we'll put no, and you'll see it's removed. Now if Matt came over here and Josh had already voted on it and wants to vote on a riddle, you're going to see that there's no candidates right now because it is empty. And let's just say Josh is like, I can come up with a better riddle. Josh wants to add a riddle. So he'll add a riddle. Let's just say, what is red and what is, oh, sorry, black and blue and red all over. I'm going to go ahead and put that there and give his answer. He's a newspaper. Okay, awesome sauce. There we go. He's added his riddle. And if they played the riddle game, they should be able to get it if he voted. So let's just go ahead and vote. Matt wants to vote. Oh, there it is. Yeah, he loves that riddle. So yes. And it's been successfully added. Okay. And play the game again. There will be a chance that you come up with that riddle. So kettle. Mirror. Library. Potato. Mirror. Okay, well, I'm not gonna do this all day. Anyway, but yeah, that's it. Well, yeah, that's about it. You can quit. So wants to quit out of here, you can. It says goodbye. You can close the application, and let's say yeah, so that should be it actually. So just like it returns you the main menu if you try to do just random stuff. So get some error messaging in there. Okay, cool. That was it. Thank you.